Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Lauren. Today I'm going to be doing a review on this piece right here, which is by Saint Laurent. I picked it up a few weeks ago and quite a number of you had asked me to do a review on this because I feel like there's no reviews on YouTube about this, and because there's also a full-size wallet of this one is more of a hybrid kind of card holder slash wallet. I believe the actual name on the Saint Laurent site is Matelasse Cassandre like bifold wallet. So they do refer to this as a wallet, but I wouldn't say it is, like I mentioned, because they do have a full-size version of this. And then a few of you had also asked if I could compare it to this one here, which has been my longtime favorite, and it is the Louis Vuitton men's coin card holder. So I will definitely do that for you. In addition, I also have a jewelry haul. So I get asked all the time about the jewelry I'm wearing, and I would say 90% of the time the pieces are from PDPAOLA. So I did get some new items from them. They sent me 4 pieces. Please note, I also buy my own items from them because I love the jewelry so much, but I'm really lucky to be working with them and collaborating with them on this part of the video. So they just dropped their new Zodiac necklaces, and I'm so excited because, well, you can't see right now, but if I pull up my sleeve, I do have some zodiac signs there. The astrological signs represent my dad, my mom, and it's also my own. My husband has the same sign as my mom. They are both Capricorns, so his sign is also on my arm, I guess you would say. All the pieces come in this little baggie, which is so useful because you can use it for multiple other things. And then they also come in a box like this, and they also come in their own little individual I guess dust bag or jewelry bag, and they also come with a polishing cloth. So I feel like if you are planning on gifting it, especially because Mother's Day is coming up, I think that it's packaged really beautifully. The pieces I'm wearing right now are also by PDPAOLA, so I will link them in the description box below. I also have a discount code for you, so I will put it somewhere here. I'll also leave it in the description box as well. But as I mentioned, they just dropped their new Zodiac necklaces. So I'm going to show you this piece first because this is a piece I'm probably most excited for. I will include some close-ups because I feel like it's going to be hard for you to see, but it does come in an adjustable necklace, which I love. They are sterling silver 18 karat gold plated, and as you'll see in the close-up, essentially it's this beautiful, you have your symbol in the middle, and then it is framed with some beautiful shimmering zirconia, and I love it. So I am a Sagittarius, but they have every single sign obviously available. I hope that the lighting is better by the window. So here is the pendant here. As you can see, there's my Sagittarius symbol right in the middle, and it's framed with this layer of zirconia, and it catches so nicely in the natural light. I wish you could see it. It's just so sparkly. Again, this chain is adjustable, which I really like. It stacks so well with a lot of their other pieces. This is the Miami necklace from PDPAOLA. The mall on the website was wearing a few of these, and they layer so well. So I feel like if you want to have your own astrological sign, and then maybe your partner's or one of your parents' astrological sign, or your kids' astrological sign, I just think it's so cute to layer a few of them. I do think this would make an amazing gift, especially with Mother's Day coming up. They have every single astrological sign available, and it's very elegant. It's minimal, but because it has that frame of zirconia, I think it just adds a little bit of an extra pop, especially in the sun. The zirconia really sparkles. So I love this piece. Like I said, it is relatively new, so I will link it down below. And then the next item I picked up is the beat necklace here. So this one's really cool because it is duo-toned. So it is silver rhodium plated, and again, this part here is 18 karat gold plated. So I don't really have any silver pieces. I've kind of gravitated to more of the gold pieces. So this one has this really chunky clasp, as you can see there, and it just says PDPAOLA. So here is the beat necklace on. I have it so that the clasp is in the front, again, because I like the contrast between the gold and the silver. You can wear it off center like that, so it kind of hangs down like a Y, like a lariat, but you could also, if you wanted to, just wear it so that it is completely all silver and just a chain necklace like that. But I picked up 2 pairs of earrings. The first pair are these ones here. Again, I'll leave an insert because I'm not sure if it's focusing, but these are called the large sugar earrings. They are a teardrop shape. I think they are so beautiful. They are hollow on the inside, so they're not really heavy, but teardrop earrings are super in trend right now. Here are the large sugar earrings on me. As you can see, they're that beautiful teardrop shape. While they are hollow, they do have some weight to them, so they stay down, as you can kind of see there. And then the side view, so you can see the teardrop shape. The last pair of earrings are called the Cali hoops, and these are very much my style. They are a very bold, chunky hoop. As you can kind of see here, I have quite a few styles like this. The pair I was actually wearing earlier, this pair here, this is also like a chunky hoop, but this one is special because it also has a little rectangular zirconia piece on the insides. And here are the Cali hoops up close. Again, it's sort of that chunky, bold, more of a statement type of hoop, but because they're smaller, they're not so in your face. I love these. Those are the pieces I picked up from PDPAOLA. I will leave them all linked down below as well. Here is my code once more. Definitely go check out the Zodiac necklaces. I think that they would make a wonderful gift for Mother's Day or for yourself. Treat yourself, you deserve it. But I just think they are so stunning. So everything will be linked down below. Moving on to the card holder, here it is. So as you can see, it is that beautiful Saint Laurent pebbled leather, which is quite durable. And it then has the YSL logo here in gold. The top has Saint Laurent engraved in the zipper pull. Like I mentioned, I still have this protective. I should take it off, right? Yeah. I just keep forgetting. And then the back, the inside here, there are 3 card slots on this one side. I will say that the last, oh, I have a card in there. Let me take that out. The last card slot on either side is pretty deep, so you could definitely fit quite a few. The other side has 2 card slots, one here, and then this one is mesh, so it's really nice in case you want to put your ID there so that they can see like your birth date, all your information without you having to take the card out. And then it has a compartment for bills, which is also amazing because a lot of card holders don't have that. And then it has a place for coins. I do have some coins in there right now. Then it also says Saint Laurent Paris down there in gold, but I've been using this now for 2 weeks. I took my cards out just because for the sake of this video, but I will say that everything that essentially fit in my Louis Vuitton coin card holder fits in here. In these card slots here, you can fit 1 card, I would say, in the first 2. In this deeper one in the back, I have been putting in about 3 different cards. So typically I have a work card where I can buy all my supplies, and then the one back here I put my ID in the front, and then this one back here I've been putting 2 different cards as well. Taking the cards in and out is also pretty easy. I know that sometimes that can also be an issue if you have a few cards in there, but I haven't experienced any of that, albeit I don't often go and grab cards out of here because I do pay frequently with my phone and just tap. But with my work card, I typically keep my work card in the back here, and I've been able to take that in and out really easily. And then this part up here for bills, I think this is amazing having this. Honestly, because so many card holders, especially like this one here I've been using, doesn't have a designated spot for bills, so I love that option. I have American bills in there even though I'm Canadian, but just know that bills fit in really nicely. What I also do is I put my most used credit card in this top part here. I won't use that for this one. I'll just grab a different card right now. And so when you put your card in and you close it, you don't have to worry about it falling out because it's just nicely tucked in there and it's really safe and secure. So that's typically what I'll do so I can have easy access to that card. And then the coin slot, I know some people had asked me about that. So you can see I just have, let's see how many coins I have in there now. I typically carry them in my clay, but I did put in 2 loonies and a couple quarters in there. So coins fit in really easy. It's pretty easy to get out. Like my Louis Vuitton one, when you do put cards in here, it does compact it slightly. So it's a little bit of a tighter squeeze getting the coins out, but I don't necessarily find that with this one. Plus, I don't know if this will compromise the leather, but if you squeeze it kind of like this on either side, it just makes the opening a little bit easier. This holds everything that I need, and I love the fact that there is also a bill compartment, like I said there, because with the Louis Vuitton one, you have to fold it and put it in the back here, which isn't bad. If you don't carry cash that often or bills that often, then that's fine. But just note in the top part of the Louis Vuitton, if you do have some cards in there like I do right now, and then you put money in, there's been times where I have zipped this up, like I've zipped up my money, and that's never a good thing, right? So the fact that it has its own compartment for bills, I think is a huge bonus. I would say one of the major benefits and pros of this is that it's also very slim, as you can see from the side. So this one here, the Louis Vuitton, it's still slimmer, but this one as well is also fairly compact. So it can fit in every single one of my mini bags it fits into. So I love that. It doesn't take up a ton of room like a traditional wallet would, but it can still carry all the pieces that you probably need to carry with you. I would say another pro to this is that it's a little bit more secure, I would say, than a card holder. A card holder here, you have your cards exposed, whereas with this one, it is more secure because there's a snap closure. I also love that this is a snap closure and not a zipper closure. It's just so fast and easy. I don't know what the wear will be like on the sides because I haven't had it for that long yet, but I'd say one of the cons to this is just the possibility of wear on the logo there, because it just being kind of tossed in a bag or even your pocket after constant use. I'm not sure how this will fare if they'll begin to get some chips. Like I said, I've been using it for 2 weeks. There's no scratches, no chips or anywhere yet, but that's something to take into consideration. I do keep this in my work bag. I do keep this in my Louis Vuitton pouch, so it offers a little bit of security in preventing it from sort of, you know, banging against my water bottle or anything like that. But that is something to think about as well as with the wear there. Comparing the two, I would say they fit the same. Everything that was in here I transferred over, but I do, as I mentioned before, like that there is a designated bill compartment. I think change is also easier getting out of the Saint Laurent because I'm not putting any cards in there, whereas in the past with this one I've been putting cards in there, and then trying to dig some coins out can be a little bit of an issue. I would say the major difference between the two is the style. So if you're going for more of a card holder style, then this is for you, the Louis Vuitton, whereas if you're looking for more of a mini wallet, then this is, I think, more up your alley. Again, this one is from the men's line, but I think it's completely unisex, whereas this one here, I guess, is a little bit more feminine. So I think those are the sort of the major differences between the two. Which one do I prefer? Right now, I prefer this one, which I know is crazy me saying that because I love this and I've used this one for the past maybe like 3 years consistently, but I do really like the look of this one, and I do also like that my cards are a little bit more secure with this snap closure. So if you are looking for a mini wallet slash kind of hybrid card holder, then this is definitely the one I would recommend. Because we're on the topic of card holders, I did want to mention this one here by Louis Vuitton that is still in its box. And this is the business card holder. So I picked this up in, I think it was November. I had to reorder it because the first one was just, quality-wise was not good. But this one is still in its box because when I initially bought it, the first time I knew I wanted to give it away as a prize. So here it is here in its tiny, cute little dust bag. And it still has all the paperwork, it has the form, it has everything in here. I have not touched it. It's just been sitting in a drawer since November. I was hoping to give this away when I reached 30,000 subscribers. I'm not quite there yet, but I'm close. But I just want to give this away because, like I mentioned, it has just been sitting in my drawer for months now. So I didn't want to do a designated giveaway because I find a lot of times random people will just all of a sudden subscribe to me and, you know, comment, and then they'll just leave right after, which it's very discouraging. So I'm gonna do what Alyssa Lenore did, if you follow her, but she chose a random person from a post, and she knew that person had been following for quite some time and commenting on her video for quite some time, and she just gave it to them. So I will compile a list of people that I know have watched my channel or been subscribed to me for some time and just commented. There's so many of you, and I truly appreciate all of you, because honestly I wouldn't be where I am right now and being able to work with so many cool brands if it weren't for you. And so this is just a way to show my appreciation, and I really want this to go to someone that has been very supportive of my channel, because you deserve it. Like, I know it takes time to comment and to watch my videos, and like I said, I truly appreciate you. So I'm gonna compile a list of people that have been commenting frequently on my channel, and then I'll do it. I'll enter all the names into like the random generator, and whoever wins this, I will contact them. So I'm really happy because I know it's a really difficult piece to find, and I want it to go to someone that I feel like has just been so supportive of my channel, and it's just my way of giving back to you. So that is that, and I'm happy that this will finally be given away instead of just sitting in my drawer unused. If you have any questions about the pieces that I showed you or about the jewelry, please leave them down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!